Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Ford Fiesta Zetec. This car comes with a 1.25 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 54 miles per gallon. An insurance group of just 7, and this car has an incredibly low mileage of just over 9,000 miles and comes with full service history from Ford. As you can see, the frozen white paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. The original owner chose a DAB and satellite navigation as factory options, so that's a really good bonus. And as you see, you've got a nice clean interior there. A few other features worth mentioning: you've got the Bluetooth for your phone, air conditioning and the quick clear front windscreen, so ideal for a winter's morning. And you also have the electric mirrors and front window controls there on the door. Being the 5-door version, good access there into the back. Good amount of legroom for rear passengers, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats. And the rear seat has 3 individual seat belts. And as we open the tailgate on the Fiesta, you've got the nice deep boot there, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And underneath the boot floor, you have a bit of extra storage there as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights and the 15-inch twin-spoke alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance which is 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.